Thank you so much, Chairman. Just met with Mr. President, basically about your party. Can we know about?
It was just a brief meeting to review the preparation for the convention and the congresses and the synergy between all arms of government so that we can be on one page, the subnational, the national, and the National Assembly and the party. And I think we achieved everything we wanted to achieve in the course of doing that.
So what's new about the convention planning?
The same timetable, the same planning activities, but just to study the environment and review our preparation as a party and to ensure inclusivity, both the national and subnational. I want to carry everybody along the party. We have new members who have come in, new governors, new members. The party is expanding every day. We are growing beyond bounds. We want to ensure that in the course of this growth, everybody and nobody is left behind.
So how supportive has the President been?
Excellent. Mr. President, as you know, is a shrewd politician, very experienced, and his advice was remarkable. And I think that's why we're here today. The expansion, the growth is because of his experience and his depth of knowledge in political cycle. Thank you.
But after Chairman has spoken.